Today we're making Korean corn dogs.
Yeah! Alright, so let's get started. Go ahead and we're going to put this into this bowl. This is 400 grams of bread flour. So go ahead and put that in.
Bread flour?
Mm-hmm. And then this is 60 grams of sugar. So you got the bread flour in there. Perfect. Put the 60 grams of sugar. And then this is 10 grams. This is 10 grams of salt. So we'll put that in there too. Ooh. And then we're also gonna get, this is 7 ounces of active dry yeast. So we'll put that in a separate bowl here. And then we're gonna put in 350 mils of water, warm water. You wanna make sure that it's warm so it kind of activates the yeast and gets it going. We're gonna wait until this gets a little bit on the frothy side and it's gonna get a little bubbly, and then we're gonna mix this in with the flour. Okay. So we have our yeast, or yeast. We have our yeast and our flour mixture. So now we're gonna put it in here, we're gonna combine it, and you're gonna mix it with this spoon. Okay, ready? Here it comes. Oh, all right. Now mix, mix, mix. Whoa. This is so cool.
That doesn't come off my hand.
I know, it's super sticky. Okay, so this is kind of the consistency that you want. It's still very stretchy, it's still pretty sticky and wet, okay? So now what you're gonna do is, we're gonna cover it with some saran wrap. We're gonna cover it like this. And we're gonna leave this for 2 hours. And it'll be ready. So you have to let it rest. Because it's sleepy. It is, it's sleepy. Okay, so we'll see you guys in 2 hours.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at how this came.
Look at it, like doubled to tripled in size. Look how fluffy that is. Okay, so now that we have the dough ready, now we can start wrapping everything and making the corn dogs.
Yeah.
All right, let's get all the other ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we have all these ingredients.
Yeah.
So we have our dough, that's what we're gonna wrap everything with. We're gonna put French fries on the outside with a panko crust. So this is panko.
Cheese.
And then we're gonna make the mozzarella cheese sticks, the hot dog sticks. Those are those are normally in there. And then these are fire noodles. They're spicy fire noodles that we're gonna make into them. And then also jjajangmyeon ones. Nice.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. So let me show you how you do it, okay? So Daddy's gonna make a regular hot dog one first, and I'll show you. So you take a popsicle stick, you're gonna put it in all the way, like this. Okay? So you take a regular hot dog, and then what you do is, you're supposed to wrap it like this. I don't know if you guys can see it on that camera, but you want to wrap it. Whoa! You're gonna wrap it so it's all covered. Now, there's 2 things you could do. You could put some French fries on it or panko, but this one's just gonna be plain panko. So, what you do is you take it and you put it in the panko, and you roll it in here like this, and you cover up all of that dough that we just made. And you want to cover it all up. This is gonna get sticky and icky, and then check it out. There's your corn dog, and then we'll deep fry it afterwards. Which one do you want to try and make?
I'm gonna try to make the regular corn dog.
Okay, regular one. I'm gonna do another hot dog one, but I'm gonna do a hot dog with cheese, like this. I'm gonna put cheese stick.
Okay.
Oh, you have to be careful.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you're supposed to wrap it this. Wrap it until you don't see the
hot dog, or yeah, until you don't see it anymore. See, look at.
Wait, I could see a little bit the bottom.
You can.
Uh-huh.
So you want to, with the cheese ones, you want to make sure it's covered all the way so that the cheese doesn't come out once you actually make it. And then you can put pieces of the French fry in here. You're
And
supposed
this
to
is
roll
one
it
of mine.
like this so it sticks. Whoa. Okay, this is getting way too sticky. Whoa. So what I did was I cooked off some jjajangmyeon first. And then I let it cool down and I wrapped them, and then I wrapped them pretty tight. So I wrapped it pretty tight like this so they stay like that in the shape of a corn dog shape. And then we could skewer it maybe. Oh, I don't think so, it's gonna break apart. I'm just gonna have to do it like this.
Wrap that.
Okay. So now we gotta fry it all up. So we're gonna put some oil inside this pot. Okay.
Okay.
So let's check if this is ready. So you take a piece of breadcrumb. So we'll take a piece from here and we'll drop it in. All right, it floats and it's bubbling. I think we're ready. So Daddy's gonna help you, okay? You can get it out after it's done, but Daddy will put it in because safety first, guys, okay? This is very hot stuff. And we'll let it go. Okay, go ahead and let it go, Jordan. Okay, nice. See, once it gets brown, we'll take it out. It's still kind of on the yellow side, yes? All right, so we're gonna cook up all of these and we'll show you guys in just a second what they look like, okay? We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
Ching!
Ching!
Wow, so
Wow.
look at all of this. So they're all cooked up now. Take a look. Whoa, look how huge this one got. Whoa, so what we're gonna do is, here, you could take this one. Oh, let me see. Yeah, you could take that one. And to finish it, you roll it in sugar. So we have a little tray of sugar. Go ahead, put it in, lay it down, and you're gonna roll it. Whoa. Whoa, take a look at that, guys. Let me show them real close. Oh, that's hot still. Ooh. Look at that. So it's rolled up in sugar. So let me do this one here because this one just came out. Roll it up. So you don't have to, if you don't want to have the sugar on here, you don't have to roll it up. But it's pretty good with the sugar. Perfect. And jing!
Ching!
And that's how you make Korean corn dogs.
Yeah.
So there's Korean corn dogs, there's mozzarella sticks, there's hot dogs, there's jjajangmyeon, there's hot noodles in there. All right, so we're gonna eat them now. Crunch Bros!
Crunch Bros!
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Crunch Bros!
Crunch Bros!
Check out the eating video. We're gonna eat all of this
Right now?
right now.
Yeah.